Yugioh, my name is yugioh from Game Master, and welcome to my deck. Right now is exodia. That first will surprise you, but the fact it is the highest tier in the game at this point in time. Yes, this deck could be matched up against Sky Strikers. Try to. It is Mystic Mine Exodia. So this is a basic one I've made. It's only got 29 cards, but it shows you the main point. Ash Blossom, you're in the gates. You've got your pieces, Ledger of Legendman. Add 3 cards on the top of your deck. Face down during your third standby phase after this card activation. Add all 3 cards to your hand. You can only activate one of them once per turn. This is madly good for this. Mystic Mine. What can I say? If your opponent does more monsters than you do, they cannot activate monster effects or attack, and vice versa for you if you have more monsters than them. Well, the whole point of this deck is to have no monsters, and this is a weapon for when you're going second. So you can place down some scummy move. Shard of Greed, you should know. Upstart Goblin, if you play Yu-Gi-Oh, you should know. Shard of Greed, draw one card. Metaverse, you can read what's on the thing. Glycerate, not there, but Reckless Greed, very dangerous. Well, I'll show you the main tactics for using this deck now. So, since it's a new video, I'm not able to show you properly how it all works, but I can do a basic. Let's say we're going first on this one. All I'm going to do is set a card, because it's not great. But if we're going second, I would do, and I lose it, yay! New deck, new draw then. So if I have this, and I'm going first, and since it's not going to set that down, I tweak that, set that, because that's the best I can do for the turn, and then I'll pass. Next turn, my opponent's turn, if they activate a monster effect, I'll activate my Ash to negate that, and then on my next turn I'll activate my draw to draw another card. They go again for a monster card effect. Ash. Then it's basically set. Cards what you can use. So you get all pieces. So I can use 1, 2. Then I can activate another one. And also upstart. They have tons of monsters at this point, what is not the best for this, so I'm going to discard some. Mystic Line, here we go. Now we can play Scummy. Now we play Mystic Mine. They cannot do what the main deck's supposed to. I can now draw 4 cards due to my draw, so you can now see I have 3 pieces. So there's another Ash effect can go off. Another Ash can go off. Next turn I draw another Exodia. I'm going to play my Reckless. And there you go. All 5 pieces of Exodia. And that's how basically you play Meta Exodia. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and sharing this video with a friend. And with that being said, I'm yugioh Game Master checking out. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.